All right, we are so excited to open up this bad boy. Look at this, we got the Wonderfold. This is the W4 Elite, and it comes with the snack tray. We have a trip tomorrow, and we're going to an amusement park, and we are just itching to get this. We have been lugging around a double stroller plus a wagon, and I have to tell you, I agonized over whether or not to buy this, because you know they come at a cost. They are not cheap. If you can find one, that's awesome. If you can't, check out the links below, and we will include a link to Amazon and also a link to Wonderfold Direct. So we'll see if we can even get you a little coupon code for it. So those are just some of the wheels. Those are just the wheels. They're all-terrain wheels.
So far we've got 2 wheels. Catherine has been so excited for this for months.
So we got this one at Costco, and it was on a good sale.
Yeah, and it's still a great stroller. The problem with this stroller, the old one, we'll show you.
So the problem is he can climb right out or just topple out.
Or just fall out of it.
He likes it, and you know, he's at that stage where he doesn't want to sit in the stroller all day, and he can't really ride the rides. But he loves being in the stroller. He loves the freedom that he has. He loves that he can play, but you can see he's just too tall for it, and he can just topple out. So we've been at the parks, and we have been talking to all the other parents, and they have just given accolade after accolade about this wagon.
We've been jealous of everyone else's Wonderfold strollers.
This looks like the snack tray. This was a big, I've heard that the accessories can add up, but this came with it, and I was super excited about the snack tray.
So we're gonna get this all put together tonight and show it off because we're going on a trip. We're gonna go to a theme park in the next couple days.
Well, and that's one thing I wanted in our stroller. Like, we looked and looked and looked for strollers. Oh, thank you.
Well, what we've been taking though is a stroller plus the wagon.
Push it this way. Push it.
No, he wants it. He does not want us to open this Wonderfold stroller.
Thank you.
He says no Wonderfold stroller. Okay, here we go. So we wanted to see how hard this is to put together too. If anyone has any questions about that, and then we're gonna test drive it and we'll do a review too in the next couple days. That's great. How does that look? Does that look like something you can fall out of?
Nope.
I think if you really tried, you could. So, first
there you go. Look at that!
Is that awesome? Okay, we got the snack tray.
Okay, and there's your snacks.
There we go. Look at that. How awesome! Okay, so next is the canopy assembly.
Right now, we really only need the 2, so we could just leave this whole thing open.
Yep.
We wouldn't even, we don't have to put the seats in.
Oh, at all? I don't know.
Yeah.
I think you could go without the seats at all.
Yeah.
Okay, so I put the canopy on here. We're gonna see how hard it is to take on and take off. Okay, there it is.
Okay, here, I'll let you out. Put a blanket on the bottom, and he's gonna be happy.
It took about 10-15 minutes to put together. No tools required. It's a big stroller pack and play put together. That's what I love about it. It's massive. Mm-hmm. But if we're going to a theme park, like we're going to in a couple of days, and we'll actually show some videos. Or water park. It's got shade. I know you can get some fans and some different accessories. And basically, it's a stroller and a wagon combined. That is awesome.
All right, so it comes with a canopy, a snack tray, 4 seats, the insulated bag, and it is fantastic. Man, I am already in love. I am all ready, and these just pop right out when you're done. Oh yeah.
Here is the Costco wagon versus the Wonderfold. Wonderfold, Costco. Wonderfold, Costco.